Greetings to every one of you. So in this video, we are going to discuss another very important concept from operating systems, that is page replacement algorithms. Let me start from the term virtual memory. Virtual memory, it is a memory management technique where the secondary memory, that is hard disk, can be used as if it is a part of the main memory, the physical memory or random access memory. The next important terms, pages and frames. So the given process, it is divided into number of equal address spaces called pages. Similarly, the main memory can be divided into equal address spaces or with number of partition, that is what is called frames. Conceptually, one page can be stored in one frame. So basically, the process contains number of pages and these pages should be loaded into the frames of the main memory at the time of execution by the CPU. The next important term is page fault. So at the time of execution, the process should be loaded into the main memory. So here I said the process, it is divided into number of pages, and similarly this main memory, it is splitted into the number of frames. So one page can be loaded in one frame. Suppose, let us consider we have only 3 frames. So only 3 pages are initially loaded into the main memory. Now the 4th page has to be loaded, but the 4th page is not available at the time of execution. Now the CPU requires the 4th page. That particular page is not available in the memory now. So that being the case, an interrupt is generated by the operating system. This is what is called a page fault. So at the time of execution, if a required page of the process, if it is not available in the main memory, an interrupt is generated, that is called page fault. Next one is a page replacement. So as soon as the page fault occurs, the operating system loads the required page from the virtual memory, that is a secondary memory, into one of the available frames of the main memory. If the space is available, the pages will be loaded. If the frames are not available, if no frame is available, it selects and replaces one of the stored pages by the required page. So let us consider we have only 3 frames, and out of these 3 frames, one of the frames, that is one of the pages, should be replaced by the required page. So the page replacement algorithms decide which page to page out or swap out. So in the case swap out in the sense, so taking the page from the main memory and that is stored back in the secondary storage. Okay, from the secondary storage, the new page is loaded into the main memory. There are 3 types of page replacement algorithms are available. Number 1, first in first out, FIFO. Number 2 is LRU, that is least recently used. The third one is the optimal page replacement. The first one, in which the oldest page in the main memory, it is replaced by the required page. In LRU, the page that has been not used for the longest period of time, that page is replaced by the new page. Similarly, the optimal page replacement, it replaces the page which is not going to be used in the near future. So only it is a kind of prediction If we know that this particular page is not going to be used for another 3 seconds or 4 seconds, so that being the case, we can use this technique, but which is an effective technique, and this method may be comparatively a better technique which yields a better result for us. So in this video, we have discussed what is virtual memory and what are the terms such as pages, frames, similarly page fault, what is meant by page replacement, and what are the different page replacement algorithms that is available. And in our next video, let us discuss all these algorithms with suitable examples. Thank you.